Associated Fastening Products, over 35 years of delivering quality precision fasteners. From sourcing, manufacturing, and distributing to kitting. AFP is your trusted partner for all fastening solutions. At AFP, our philosophy is simple. No is never the answer. We go above and beyond to meet your fastening needs. We provide a full range of standard fasteners, reliable, ready-to-use components for any application. AFP also delivers custom solutions, transforming your blueprints into engineered fasteners. Manufactured with precision and reliability. Our advanced manufacturing ensures every fastener meets exact specifications and performance requirements. Quality is at the heart of our manufacturing processes. Each part is inspected using advanced vision systems for perfect precision. Manual inspection complements automation, ensuring every fastener meets our exacting standards. 4 dedicated inspectors verify details that the key and system cannot, guaranteeing precision and reliability in every piece. Our sister company, Integrated Packaging, is one of our biggest assets. It ensures your parts are perfectly packaged and ready for delivery. Every kit is carefully bagged, labeled, and arranged exactly to your specifications. Because we own the packaging company, we can make it happen. Once packaged, products are delivered back to AFP, where our team rechecks every detail. Lot numbers, seals, and labels are verified to ensure nothing is missed. This extra layer of inspection guarantees that every order arrives precisely as intended, ready for our customers with complete confidence. AFP and Integrated Packaging work together, design to delivery, providing complete, high-quality fastening solutions. From lot tracking to certifications, our processes ensure complete traceability and reliability. Serving a diverse range of industries, including home furnishings and gun manufacturing, AFP provides the precise fasteners you need wherever quality matters. We don't just supply fasteners. We deliver reliability, precision, and peace of mind. Associated Fastening Products, where service makes a difference.